Okay, so take your corn syrup and open it up. Be warned, corn syrup, even before you open it, is oftentimes infamously difficult to open the first time. So be patient, have a good gripper if it's being difficult, and also realize in subsequent openings, a lot of the corn syrup will tend to crust inside the lid. So just be patient, it's worth it. We're going to put in about 4 fluid ounces into our jar. This will be around 1/4 of this canister, because this canister holds about 16 fluid ounces. Take your time, just put the corn syrup in the jar in a pumping motion. Again, to make the corn syrup easier to open later on, very, very gently tilt the lip backwards so that we avoid getting corn syrup around the side. If you get corn syrup around the side, make sure and wipe it off. I've seen these used just after one time, and it's always difficult to get them off. If you don't take care of it very well, it'll become virtually impossible. And short of taking a knife or scissors to your corn syrup bottle, you're never going to be able to use the rest of this for any future blood outings.